Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can apply your OLA refund voucher code on the OLA app. Now first of all, of course, you need to download the OLA app. I will assume that you already have the OLA application. Once you open it, you will select the right option. As you can see right here, you will select the right option. And from the right option, it will give you a drop down. From here, you will click on Apply Coupon tab. From there, you will click on Apply Coupon tab, and after that, you will enter the gift voucher and then you will click on Apply. So click on Apply Coupon tab after you select right, and then you will get a space where you can enter that refund voucher, and then you will click on Apply right below. From there, you will just confirm it, and there you can add the refund voucher in OLA in that simple process. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.